think there's even a single person here, but it's just absolutely beautiful. This place is just incredible. Good morning, guys. Hope you're having a great day. It is Ping here. Today I am in the island of Busuanga in the town of Coron, and we are going to take a motorbike out to the eastern part of Busuanga to explore the less developed, the less touristy side of this island. This is going to be an extremely fun day. I'm very excited for what Coron has to offer. Let's go. Let's get this road trip started. Okay. Bad. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Alright guys, let's make a quick update on our ride to Marcilla. So this is my motorbike. It's perfectly fine. It's in very good condition. Except I am not in good condition. It happened again. This is not a good day. I'm also really injured. Like that. It's just not a good day today. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it happened again. But oh well, we're just on our way there. Guys, we have finally made it to Marcilla Beach. We are just standing here on this big sand platform they have, but the place is actually pretty stunning. The ride here is very difficult. As you probably saw earlier, I am heavily injured, but that's okay. This view makes it all the worth it. I was gonna fly the drone up here because this place is just stunning, but really I hope you guys enjoy this footage because Marcilla Beach, it's a long way away, it's really inaccessible, but I think it might be really worth it after all. Alright guys, I think we're finished here at Marcilla Beach. It is just a beautiful, relaxing, nice white sand beach. I don't think there's even a single person here. but it's just absolutely beautiful. This place is just incredible. The drone shots I took were just stunning. They were just absolutely stunning. But this place is it's really off the beaten path. It will take you a few hours just to get here, but once you get here, the reward is absolutely worth it. But now we're gonna head back to Coron town, but on the way, just actually right near here, there's this beautiful mountain that looks really nice for drone shots and photographs. So we're gonna go take a look there, and then we'll see from there. But I will definitely update you guys as we go along. We have made it to this top of the mountain. The trek was actually quite tough. It's quite steep, but we just parked our bikes right down here. And I mean, just look at this view behind me. It is exceptional. It almost looks like the chocolate hills of Bohol. But these sort of like round shaped peaks, it's just stunning. And I'm just flying the drone here again. The shots are gonna be absolutely amazing. And this place, there's not a single person here. I have the whole entire place to myself. And it's so beautiful. The sun is just setting right behind me and it's just shining on these chocolate hills from behind. This is just a stunning place. Let me just show you the drone footage. Alright guys, we just finished flying the drone. This place is absolutely spectacular. I mean, just look at those mountains behind me. That's just out of this world. Anyways, we're gonna head back to Coron town now. I'm not sure if I'm gonna film much on the bike, but I will talk to you guys later. I will see you guys then. Good morning guys. I'm sorry, I completely forgot to do an outro yesterday. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment and subscribe for more food and travel videos coming up. I'm super excited for the next videos coming up. This Philippine series is just going to be filled with delicious food and fun adventure. So if you enjoy these two things, definitely subscribe for more videos. I will see you guys on the next food and travel video. Bye guys.